Hello everybody, in this video we're going to go over vocal image training. We're going to go over the full onboarding, the real features, and even how it customizes your training based on your goals. So the first thing is that Vocal Image is a mobile voice training app that's designed to boost your speaking confidence. So of course, whether you're a teacher, coach, content creator, or just tired of hearing your, awkward voice on video, the core pitch is transforming your voice and communication skills with AI-powered coaching. So from articulation to voice tone, the app helps you, strengthen your voice muscles, trains your emotion, your delivery, improve clarity and pacing, and even shape your vocal identity over time. So the first thing is, do you want to become a better leader, improve public speaking, or, have more masculine or femininity to your voice, or just feel more confident? Well, just select one of those as your goals. I'll select the first one as the option. And then the next is you'll go through these short personalized quiz, right? And the app just tailors your training based on your age, your group, gender, personality, and communication goals. So it even asks your biological voice characteristics and demographics. So I'm going to select 18 to 24 and male. And it's going to ask you what motivates you the most. So you can select career, public speaking, or, a nice voice, confidence, relationships, or just like better than small talk. And it's a nice onboarding experience. It's smooth, friendly, and doesn't overwhelm you. So now from here, the app isn't just vibes and affirmations. It's science-backed. So I'm just going to click communication and no. I'm just going to select emotions as one of them. The app isn't just vibes and affirmations, as I said. Sorry. It highlights research from Harvard Business Review and American Psychological Association showing that a strong, expressive voice improves trust, authority, and perceived leadership. You even get a visual tracker showing your confidence increasing over time. So as you can see here, the more consistently you train, the more results you are going to see. So the app doesn't treat you like a one-size-fits-all user. It actually adapts your coaching style based on your personality traits. So I'm going to click continue. You can choose if you want to be an introvert, extrovert, or both. And for example, if I choose introvert, Vocal Images acknowledges it right away, promising a calmer, more reflective coaching style designed just for you, and promises the kind of personalization. Now, from here, small things like this help build a vocal training path that feels relevant and not just robotics. And it's rare in vocal apps, of course. But I would say what it actually trains is Vocal Image actually trains you on like leadership, voice expression, so helping you decipher essentially the deepening your tone, eliminating filler words, projecting more presence, and the public speaking, as well as like the pacing, breathing, and opening strong, and the voice gender expression, so helping you develop either a more masculine or feminine vocal image. Hence the name, I think, because it's called Vocal Image. And there's also confidence building. So through like daily speaking challenges, weekly challenges that just help you strengthen your skills and whatnot. And the emotional training, which is cool because it helps you learn how to express empathy, curiosity, or exercises or tone drills with a vocal tone. And the app gives you daily tasks, so like voice warm-ups, breathing exercises, tone drills, and expression mimicry. So it's like a workout routine, but for your voice. So the question really is, who is the app really for? So if I keep going down, it like asks you, is small talk your thing, or like if you want to fill in awkward silences when they happen, like in combination if you're an introvert, because some introverts do not just do awkward talk, they're actually really fluent and articulate. So, it's all about being specific to your personality traits and needs for speaking. And honestly, just anyone who speaks to other people, this app is great for, but especially content creators who want better mic presence. Because, people always complain like, oh, it's the microphone quality. Like my speaking is only because my microphone quality is not good enough. But actually, no, it's just because a lot of the times people aren't articulating clear and loud enough. And also professionals giving presentations or presenting or pitching ideas, as well as like teachers or coaches who need to hold attention, or anyone just who wants to simply stop hating their own voice. This app gives you the structured to something most people ignore, which is how their voice is perceived. So if I keep continuing on, are you often interrupted during conversations? You can select yes or no, but sometimes I'm interrupted a lot, especially because most of the time it correlates to how loud you're speaking. So the person who's speaking louder does often get interrupted, and you can answer if you're more of a talker or a listener. I'm more of a listener, so you know it's not about making you not listen, but this is just helping you in terms of the vocal training, right? Um, do I use filler words like and frequently appear in your speech? I just did, and I think it's actually not as bad as people think, because it shows you're thinking, and if you don't say or a lot, or if you completely eliminate or just have attention to completely try and eliminate it from your vocabulary, a lot of people think you're robotic, you're just saying words. So I think it adds a little bit of humanity, and it's asking, do you feel that your vocabulary limits yourself to express yourself effectively? So vocal image is just, giving you it also builds your vocabulary, and sometimes that's the problem most people are facing in terms of expressing yourself effectively. So I'll just say no, because I don't think I can express myself with enough vocabulary. And you just keep going, and then it's going to identify profiles with articulated voices, and then after here it's going to have your personalized coach and plan. And just wait for this. It takes a little bit because it is actually really ciphering through the survey questions, and just you can answer the rest of the questions. And from there, vocal image is actually it doesn't cost anything to try, so you get basic exercises and some intro lessons, but the real power unlocks with a pro subscription, which includes the ability to have unlimited daily workouts, celebrity voice packs, progress tracking, personalized feedback, and access to entire training libraries. And from here, it's going to give you the price. I believe it's around $6.99 a month. I could be wrong about that. I'll actually check that right now. And I would say if you want to actually train your voice, right, to sound stronger, clearer, more confident, this app is one of the best tools probably on the App Store for Apple, or if you can find this on Android. And it's intuitive, flexible, and more polished than most voice gym apps out there. So your voice is a huge part of your personal brand. Don't let it be an afterthought. And you should just try vocal image, and their training, their survey is very straightforward to go over. And I would say one takeaway is change how the world hears you, because that's the main perception of how people look at you. So yeah, thanks for watching this video. Like and subscribe for more content like this, and I'll see you later.